Today I'm going to show you guys how to prep your nails for a long-lasting manicure. Make sure to stay tuned for the end for a giveaway. I've partnered up with the Mini Macaron to show you how to achieve this look. The kit comes with an LED lamp, which is shaped in a macaron. It comes with gel remover pads, cuticle pusher, nail file, a USB cord, and one 3-in-1 gel polish. For this look, I'm going to show you a Skittle Mani, so I'm showing you how to achieve this look with 3 polishes. So the first thing you'll want to do is push back your cuticles gently, and then take the other end and remove any of the debris. The next thing you'll want to do is shape your nails to the shape that you like and then lightly buff the surface of your nail. This will ensure the polish will stick to the nail. The next thing you'll want to do is take your remover pad or 99% alcohol to remove any of the oils on your nails and all the debris. I'm going to use the 5 strokes method to paint. First I'm going to cap the edge and then apply my brush in the middle of my nail and move down, then go back up to get closer to the cuticle and then paint the rest of my nails. If you get polish on your skin, quickly remove it with an orange wood stick. Then you'll want to place your finger in the LED light for 30 seconds and it will automatically turn off. Then you'll want to do your second coat, make sure it's also a thin layer. Once you've cured your nails for a second time, you are all set. There is no tacky layer to remove. This is so great since the 3-in-1, the base and top coats included. I love how easy this product is to use. And if you want to win this giveaway, then check out my Instagram, and I'm also going to give you guys a 10% coupon code, which will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.